Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on OPPO A6x. Alright, so let's begin. We need to open up our settings, then scroll down, find System and Update, and click on Backup and Reset. In here we have Backup and Migrate, and also we can create a backup using the Google account. Let's begin with Backup and Migrate, and above we have the clone phone. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't know why it doesn't want to work properly, because we can copy the data from this device. We can select that we want to send data, and we need to, of course, download the clone phone on our other phone to receive the data. But in my case, I don't know why, when I'm downloading the clone phone app on my second phone, the only option that I have is sending the data, not receiving it, just like in here. So in my case, it won't work. In your case, maybe it will, I don't know. You just need to try it. But don't worry, that's not the only option. We have the local backup right in here. You need to click on New Backup. Now, select what you want to copy. First, it needs to load. So let's wait. Okay. In my case, I want to copy contacts and preference settings, so I can unselect the apps because it will take too long, and then click on Start. You need to remember that this is a local backup that is stored in the internal store of our device, internal storage. So, for example, after the reset of your device, the backup will be also deleted and you will lose it. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can copy that backup into your PC or laptop using the USB-C cable. So I'll see you on my desktop. Okay, now to copy our backup into our computer, we need to have an USB-C cable that is also connected into our computer, of course. Now insert the cable into your phone. Now, open up notification bar, click on charging this device via USB, and select File Transfer / Android Auto. Now verify if you have your screen lock, and now open up the File Explorer, click on this PC, click on OPPO, Internal Shared Storage, find Android folder, then Data, and now we need to find the folder Backup Restore, Backup, Data, and in here we have the folder with our backup, so we just need to simply copy it. So drag this, I will copy it into my desktop. You can, for example, create a new folder, call it Backup, it's up to you. And that's basically all. It has been copied, so we can close it up. Now let me go back into full screen. So I'll show you some other things. We can unplug the cable. So now our backup is safely stored on our computer. Now, the Google backup, that's actually my favorite option. Click on Google account. And now, we need to click on Turn On. Select photos and videos and other device data. Confirm. Now, if you click on other device data, in here you can see your Google account that you're currently signed into. And it's important because if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you need to be signed into the exact same Google account, so you cannot forget it. Also, make sure that you have some free storage space right in here. If you don't have enough, you can clean up space or get storage. And now to create a backup, hit this green button. The process will now begin. Okay, in here a small circle appeared, as you take a look, and now it's going to slowly fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. If everything goes fine, we'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. So it might take a little bit, so I'll see you in a second once it's done. Okay, the backup has been successfully created. Also, in here down below, under other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago. As we click on that, we can also see what has been backupped, in my case, apps and the data, and also device settings. I have no data when it comes to call history and SMS messages, because simply I don't have any SMS messages and call history on this device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.